Hi everyone, this is Jitan here and welcome to TradersTV. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about the different time frames available to you as a trader. It's a question I get all the time. Should I trade the daily chart, the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, the 5-minute chart? There's a lot of different variables you can be trading. So in today's video, we're going to dissect them all and look at the pros and cons.
So which time frame of trading is the best one for you? Well, the first thing to understand, it's great that we can trade multiple time frames, the daily, the 4-hour, the 1-hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute chart, 24 hours a day, 5.5 days a week. But it's also a problem that we can trade multiple time frames 24/5. The reason for that is that too much choice isn't always a good thing. The issue that most traders face is the fact that they can be doing so many different things that they never stick to just one thing, even as something as simple as a time frame. Now, of course, there are always going to be pros and cons of sticking to one or two time frames. If you say to yourself, I'm just going to stick to the daily and the 4-hour chart, yes, you're going to miss setups on the 15-minute chart, on the 30-minute chart, on the 1-hour chart. If you're only going to trade the smaller time frames, yes, you're going to miss out on the bigger moves on the higher time frame. There's always a pro and a con. The issue is that most people just never have a plan, and even those who do have a plan, very few of them even stick to it, because they're constantly seeing trading opportunities on other time frames that they're not trading, and they're thinking to themselves, well, how come I'm not trading those, and why am I missing those trading opportunities? Because nothing's been set up on the time frame that I'm looking at. So straight away, it's easy for them to change what they've been doing and actually change their business plan literally after just a day or two of not finding any trades. You have to remember, you've got to fit trading around your current lifestyle. There's very little point trading a 15-minute chart if you have a day job and you're not going to be focused enough to look at all the intraday moves. You're just going to be setting yourself up for disappointment because your expectations are just too far away from being realistic, okay? Now, most people are just better off starting trading the daily charts. Nice and simple. You learn patience, you learn discipline, you can go for the higher move. It's a much better place to start. However, most people just don't stick to it because, again, there's too much choice. They might not find a trade every single day, but they can look at the 4-hour chart, the 1-hour chart, and they can see loads of different trading opportunities. But, you know, as I said before, more choice isn't always a good thing. If you first started trading, it's much better just to start with a higher time frame, learn how the markets operate, learn the discipline and patience required to trade, and then as you get more comfortable, then you can start looking at the lower time frames and diarizing your time. But even then, people who trade the 4-hour chart, you know, you should only be diarizing your calendar to come back when a 4-hour bar has opened. Because in the middle of that 4-hour session, you're not going to be trading anything. So what's the point of looking at the charts? So many times, you know, I've taken live trading events on a London trading floor, and you know, we have a watch list for the day, we're waiting for our setups. When there's nothing set up, you know, we're just doing some educational things. And loads of people are just looking at their charts, hunting for different trades, as if suddenly, you know, they're going to find something. You know, we all know that the more you look for something, the more likely you're going to find something. But really with trading, it's about picking repeated patterns. So if you don't see that repeatable pattern very quickly, you know, is it really there? So because there is so much choice, how can Smart Charts help simplify this for you and make your life a little bit more easier and make you a bit more accountable? Well, let's have a look at the platform. So here on the Smart Charts platform, under the scanner, we have our different trading strategies which are firing up different potential trading opportunities. So the first thing I would be doing is actually customizing this to the time frames that I'm trading. So straight away, something like the 20 bounce, which is the 30-minute chart strategy, I don't even want to know that there's trading opportunities there, because if I see potential trading opportunities, it's just going to entice me to trade. So I'm simply just going to delete that off my scanner. Okay, I can always add it back in when I decide to trade the 30-minute chart, but for now, I don't want that enticement to be there. Something like the Pip Runner, which is the 15-minute chart strategy, quite a few different trading setups right now. But again, if I'm not trading that consistently, it's just going to entice me to trade. So I'm going to just get rid of that as well. So now I've got these 4 strategies left, and as we can see, a lot of them are the 180 profit boosters on the 4-hour chart, income waves on the 1-hour chart. Well, again, I need to customize this to the daily chart. So I'm going to change 180 profit booster to the daily chart. So now it's giving me all the setups on the daily chart, plenty of opportunities there to be focusing on. On the income wave, I'm going to change it from the 1-hour chart to the daily chart. And I'll do this process so I'm only focusing on the time frame that I'm available to trade. Okay. For some of you, it may be the intraday charts, like the 4-hour, 1-hour, in which case you'll customize this towards that. But now I've customized everything to the daily chart. So we get D1, 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 D1. So now when I look at my platform, I'm only focused on opportunities that are setting up on the time frame that I'm trading. So straight away, it's got rid of all the potential choices I could have available to me. So I'm only focused on the markets that are in my trading plan to trade and the time frames that I'm looking to trade. So it's just a way to help you become a bit more accountable and to make sure you're only sticking to things that you should be sticking to.
So you can see the importance of understanding the different timeframes available to you as a trader. Of course, picking the right time frame for you is just as important. To make that a little bit easier for you, click on the link below, register for one of our free Forex trading workshops where you're going to learn a little bit more information about how to start trading the right way. I'll see you next time.